See, if we see, we have to just also think that why did this whole idea of scientific management school developed? Well, what I want to tell you is this, that there should be some reason why the thinkers came up with this idea of what do you call as scientific management. Why did thinkers talk about scientific management? You have to trace the history behind the development of this school. The history lies in this time period, which is the late 19th century. The history for the development of scientific management school, scientific management theories is lying in this era, which is called as the late 19th century. Now the late 19th century means the 1860s, 70s, 80s. This was a time when industrial revolution was picking up in Europe and in America. So this was, you can say, a second phase of industrial revolution, which was picking up pace, which was picking up peak in this Western hemisphere. Now industrial revolution was coming up because now there was availability of few technologies, availability of few you can say instrument through which we expected more production to take place. For example, electricity was available now, engine were available now, so you can have machines automated. But very much ironical, in this phase, which you call as the phase of industrial revolution, the late 19th century, ironically what we saw was that there was a huge demand of product in the market. There was a demand of product in the market, produced production की बहुत ज़्यादा demand थी market के अंदर, but the supply was not that much. Supply was not that much because the production in industries was very limited. प्रोडक्शन वॉज नॉट राइजिंग. प्रोडक्शन जो होती थी इंडस्ट्रीज में बड़ी लिमिटेड होती थी, आउटपुट जो था बड़ा कम था. नॉट ओनली इट वॉज अ वॉल्यूम विच वॉज लेसर, द क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट वॉज ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी हाई. मतलब जो सामान की क्वालिटी थी वो उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी. द क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोड्यूस वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी यू कैन से कॉम्प्रोमाइज. इट वॉज नॉट वेरी गुड. एंड देन वॉल्यूम वॉज वेरी लिमिटेड. जो सामान बनता था उसकी अमाउंट, उसकी क्वांटिटी कम होती थी, और जो कॉस्टिंग लग जाती थी वो बहुत ही हाई थी. मतलब द अमाउंट ऑफ money involved in production of this much volume was very high. So cost of production was high, production was limited, quality was compromised. And one more thing, there was a problem that basically usually what was seen was there was a regular tussle. मतलब there was a kind of, you can say, mistrust conflict between the management. मतलब इंडस्ट्रीज के अंदर जो मैनेजमेंट होती थी, जैसे कि द ओनर्स एंड द सीनियर मैनेजर्स, मैनेजमेंट एंड वर्कर्स जो लेबर होते थे, उनके बीच में रेगुलर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता था. मतलब मैनेजमेंट एंड वर्कर्स, दे वर टू ग्रुप्स एंड दे वर रेगुलरली इनटू अ मोड ऑफ, यू कैन से, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. मैनेजमेंट वर्कर्स कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, quality of production not very high, volume of production limited, cost involved very high. Now from any management perspective, this is not what we expect in industries. Industries में हम ये चाहते ही नहीं. In fact, what we want is reverse. We want good quality produce, we want more production, we want less cost, we want a harmony in the relationship of management and the workers. But this was not seen. Okay, now what was in, if I summarize the whole problem, what was expected and not available was, जो चाहिए था मगर वो था नहीं, उसमें से एक चीज थी एफिशिएंसी इन प्रोडक्शन. मतलब कम लागत में ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन. सो एफिशिएंसी इन प्रोडक्शन वाज वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड. एंड other than that we also wanted an efficient management system. मतलब we wanted a way to run the industries which could bring harmony between workers and the management, which could have a kind of a general, you can say, peace in the industrial environment. Okay, now to have efficiency in production, मतलब कम कीमत में, देखो आप, let's say one thing, if I'm throwing a javelin, which example I took some time back, when I'm throwing a javelin, so I should have efficiency in my performance. The javelin should go at a maximum distance with, you can say, a lesser amount of energy involved. यहाँ पर भी यही है. The cost should be less, production should be high, quality of performance should be better. Okay, and overall harmony should be there in the industries. So to achieve this, the solution came up in the form of various theories. अलग अलग तरीके से थ्योरीज दी गई कुछ लोगों द्वारा. Many people gave different theories. as a solution to these problems, and this combination of theories is what you call as the scientific management movement or scientific management school, because most of the thinkers of that era, they were focusing on having efficiency in production, or you can also say they were also focusing upon achieving economy in production. Economy matlab the cost involved should be less and then output should be more. Input less, output more. So economy and efficiency in production, कम लागत में ज़्यादा production, अच्छी क्वालिटी का प्रोडक्शन. Economy and efficiency in production was expected, but it was not coming. So the answer came in the form of various theories given by various thinkers, and all these theories combined, which were not very different from each other, all these theories combined you call as scientific management movement or scientific management school. Okay, now let's I just give you few names. They are the prominent names in in the scientific management movement. These are the prominent names. Let me write on the board.